Hello guys, and welcome in today's apartment renovation episode. Finally the entire bathroom and the lobby have been tiled. It really looks amazing. I never thought it would be in the end like this. You can see all the edges, the spaces between the mosaic have been filled, and the video doesn't do justice, but I will try to expose the recording as close as possible to reality. So it looks something between this and this, something like this. Is exactly what I'm seeing right now. Maybe down just a bit. You can imagine not even what I see right now on the screen. I don't know exactly if it's just like in reality. Here the color is not this yellowish, so it's more towards the beige one. But here is the shower, the golden shower. It looks perfect. I see he also placed it here, and it's really more than I could have asked for. And here also it looks really nice. Regarding the height, I went right here. That space will be filled with silicone, so nothing will, no moisture will get in there. The height is about 2 meters and 20 centimeters. You can see how it reflects everything. So it's no need for the mirror, indeed. But of course you can choose the height however you like. I must admit, if I would have to change something right now, maybe I would have placed it all the way up there, although it's very good even as it is. Consider normally a shower should be at 10 centimeters above your maximum height, or above the height of the tallest person in your family. So at 2 meters, 2.10 meters, it's really over the top, is way more than enough. And right now I'm with my shoes on. You can imagine when you enter barefoot, it will be even higher. But it looks amazing. This is the drain. I will not take it out right now because the stuff is still wet, but soon I will. It really it looks amazing. Although let's see if I cannot take it easily out. I think I will need some special tool, because it's really fixed there. This is the command with thermostat. And it moves like this. It's really interesting. But yeah, I'll have to see exactly, at least from the buttons. Here is the main shower head, the big one, and here is the one for the small one. I will go to pick up the golden mosaic in about 30 minutes. It reached Hornbach, and here it will look really nice, a touch of color. And basically this is pretty much it. I will have to wash it further on, but the worker did a really great job, considering how many times I changed my mind, how I told him to put another level, another layer of mosaic above there. Once it dries out, it will look really neat. It's been, let's say, the first time when I have to go through such a large work in my apartment, and you can imagine it's really hard to know exactly from the beginning how everything will look, how everything must be. But yeah, I'm really glad how it all turns out. Now another big problem will be with the wooden floor. Since I have all the furniture inside, today there was a man who came, another worker, and he said that the wooden floor needs to be vacuumed and washed, clean, without this dust. Like I would have time for this. And you can imagine, look how it's here, all the furniture must be in the center. You can imagine what dust is there also. So it's really I don't know how I am gonna do this thing. Not to mention, here I have the toilet. Maybe he will install it tomorrow, and that will get it out of the way. But yeah, all the dust has settled. I don't have time for this, really. It's just too much. If it would be just, let's say, to vacuum clean it, yeah, it's all good, but to wash it, to move all this furniture from one side to another, it will be really a pain. But I'll have to see exactly what I'll do. Other than that, next Monday the electricians will come, since in 2 days, this Thursday and Friday, there are 2 religious holidays in my country, dedicated to 2 saints that have the same name, Dimitris. No work will be done to the apartment, and that's why the electricians will come next Monday. Next Tuesday, latest, they will finish everything, and after that in theory the wooden floor worker should come to do its job. But yeah, not everything goes to plan. But pretty much this is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you in the next episodes. Bye bye.